What common breakfast food is typically made from oats?
Oatmeal.
Oatmeal is a type of porridge, but not all porridge is oatmeal. Porridge can be made from various grains, while oatmeal is specifically made from oats.
Which common dairy food is a source of probiotics?
Yogurt. The live bacteria in yogurt are created by fermenting milk. These beneficial cultures, like lactobacillus, are what define yogurt as a probiotic food.
What type of poultry is considered white meat?
Chicken. The color of meat is determined by the protein myoglobin, which holds oxygen in muscles. Chickens fly rarely, so their breast meat is white, less myoglobin. Which oil is a key component of Mediterranean cooking?
Olive oil.
Extra virgin olive oil is the highest grade. It is unrefined and extracted using only mechanical methods, never heat or chemicals, preserving its flavor.
Which small fish is known for its very salty taste? Anchovies. The intense umami flavor of anchovies comes from a curing process in salt. They are a key, secret ingredient in traditional Caesar salad dressing.
Which of these is a popular edible Asian mushroom?
Shiitake.
Shiitake mushrooms are native to East Asia and have been cultivated for over 1,000 years. They are valued for both their rich, savory flavor and medicinal use.
What sweet, viscous food is produced by bees?
Honey.
Honey is one of the few foods that never spoils. Its low water content and acidic pH make it an inhospitable environment for bacteria and other microorganisms. What is the primary ingredient in guacamole dip? Avocado. The name guacamole is a blend of two words from the ancient Aztec language, ahuacat and mole. What alcoholic drink is made from fermented grapes? Wine. Red wine gets its color from the grape skins, which are left to ferment with the juice. For white wine, the skins are typically removed before fermentation. What process heats milk to kill harmful bacteria? Pasteurization. Named after his inventor, Louis Pasteur, this process doesn't sterilize the liquid, but kills enough pathogens to make it safe to consume and extended shelf life. Which fat-soluble vitamin is known as tocopherol? Vitamin E. The name tocopherol comes from the Greek words tokos, or offspring, and pheron, to bear, as it was first identified as essential for reproduction. What are compounds that can inhibit nutrient absorption? Anti-nutrients. Anti-nutrients, like phytates in beans and grains, can bind to minerals and reduce their absorption. Soaking or sprouting foods can help to lower their content. What disorder involves binging and purging cycles? Bulimia nervosa. Bulimia nervosa is a serious mental health condition. The term comes from Greek, literally meaning ravenous hunger, which describes the binging impulse. Where in the cell does the citric acid cycle occur?
Mitochondria.
Often called the powerhouse of the cell, the mitochondria are where most of the cell's energy, ATP, is generated through cellular respiration.
What is a measure of a food's protein quality?
Biological value. Biological value is a scale of protein quality. Eggs are given a perfect score of 100, as their amino acid profile is an excellent match for human needs.
Which B vitamin is known as pantothenic acid?
Vitamin B5.
The name for vitamin B5 comes from the Greek word panthos, meaning from everywhere, because it is found in small amounts in nearly every food we eat.
What is another common name for glucose or corn sugar?
Dextrose.
Dextrose is just another name for glucose. It is often used in baking products as a sweetener and as the sugar used in intravenous solutions in hospitals.
What condition is caused by severe protein deficiency?
Kwashiorkor. This form of severe malnutrition is characterized by a swollen abdomen due to edema, fluid retention, a stark contrast to the wasting seen in marasmus. Which hormone works to raise blood glucose levels?
Glucagon. Glucagon and insulin are opposing hormones. When your blood sugar drops, the pancreas releases glucagon to tell the liver to release stored glucose.
Where does the chemical digestion of protein start?
Stomach. The stomach's highly acidic environment, hydrochloric acid, begins protein digestion by uncoiling the complex protein strands, a process called denaturation.
Which chemical compound gives chili peppers their heat?
Capsaicin. Capsaicin doesn't actually burn you. It binds to nerve receptors that detect heat, tricking your brain into feeling a sensation of burning.
What is the hormonally active form of vitamin D?
Calcitriol. Calcitriol is the form of vitamin D that functions as a potent hormone in the body, playing a crucial role in controlling blood calcium levels.
Which polyphenol is found in the skin of red grapes?
Resveratrol. This famous polyphenol, found in red wine, is a defense compound produced by plants in response to stress, such as injury or fungal infection. Which trace mineral is a key part of antioxidant GPX?
Selenium. Selenium is a critical component of the enzyme glutathione peroxidase, which is one of the most important antioxidant defense systems in your body.
What process causes cut apples to turn brown?
Enzyme browning.
This browning is caused by an enzyme called polyphenol oxidase reacting with oxygen. Adding an acid like lemon juice can deactivate the enzyme and slow it down.
What is the main structural protein in the eye's lens?
Crystalline.
Crystalline proteins must remain stable and transparent for your entire life to allow vision. When they clump together, they form cataracts that cloud the lens.
Which fatty acid is most abundant in coconut oil?
Lauric acid.
Lauric acid is a medium-chain saturated fatty acid. It's the main reason why coconut oil is solid at cooler room temperatures but melts easily with warmth. Which enzyme hydrolyzes sucrose into fructose and glucose?
Invertase.
This enzyme is used by bees to create honey from nectar. In commercial food production, it is used to make invert sugar for candies with soft centers.
Which gut hormone helps signal satiety and fat digestion?
Cholecystokinin.
Abbreviated as CCK, this hormone is released when you eat fat. It helps you feel full and signals the gallbladder to release bile to help with digestion.
What is the most abundant cation in intracellular fluid? Potassium. The vital balance between potassium inside cells and sodium outside cells creates the electrical gradient needed for nerve impulses and muscle contractions. How many did you get right? Let us know your score in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons.